You know, that's so true. Having grown up on the East Coast, you don't see anything like that back east.
It is beautiful.
You know, it's so wonderful here.
And it brings a certain sense of vibrance to
Yeah.
downtown, doesn't
Yeah.
it? Besides the energy that's
Yeah.
in downtown, but you got a little piece of nature in
Yeah.
the middle of what's normally a concrete jungle.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Good. Very, very
All right.
nice. Okay. Well, Natalie, this weather pattern is going to be warming up. I mean, look at this. Watch this time-lapse video from Stanley overlooking the Sawtooth so you can see the snow that we recently received last week, but it is going to be melting in the days to come with the temperature readings that we're going to be seeing, warming up to near 70 degrees up in the higher country by the end of the week. So mostly sunny skies up there. 65 degrees is the current temperature in Boise. Winds are very light right now. Humidity is comfortable. I mean, everything is just gorgeous out there. No smoke to be dealing with here in the Treasure Valley either. And the storm that generated all of that snow for us last week in the higher country is now moving off into the Central Plains, where it is generating some strong thunderstorm activity that stretches from Texas all the way up into the Central Plains states. But look at what's happening out here in the west. A couple of little sprinkles here and there in the Pacific Northwest, but none of that moisture is going to be working its way in our direction because the air is just too dry, and we have this big persistent area of high pressure that's going to hold on for the next few days. As long as the high pressure is in place, two things will happen. Number one, we'll see lots of sunshine, and number two, the temperatures will continue to get warmer. So here's the weather headlines. Lots of sunshine this week. A slow warming trend will continue. Look for temperatures to be approaching near 80 degrees by the end of the week. I'm thinking by Friday. And then we're going to be watching for another cold front that works its way into the Treasure Valley, possibly this weekend, like probably late Saturday into early Sunday. It might generate a couple of showers. It'll drop our temperatures back down, and it could also increase some winds out of the northwest. But there's the high thin cirrus clouds that we see moving in. If you look out there and you look off to the northwest, you'll see some of those clouds. Not going to generate any rain, but the overall pattern is this. Notice how the storm track is now shifting up here to the north, and it's moving into British Columbia and up here into the Gulf of Alaska. This is the storm track or the jet stream that's moving northward in response to the large area of high pressure that's building in. So if you like sunshine, you're going to like the forecast that we've got in store for you this week, because yes, it will be nice and mild for the next 2 days, and then it'll get just a little bit warmer than average. Not hot. We could still see temperature readings this time of the year in the mid-90s. I don't see us going anywhere near that, but again, I see those temperature readings approaching 80 degrees here by Friday. So Nampa 70 degrees, Kuna at 71 degrees, overnight lows tonight again in the 40s, so a crisp morning followed by delightful temperatures in the afternoon. Up to 74 degrees on Wednesday, 77 on Thursday, 79 degrees on Friday. Here comes a front late Saturday. With that front, there may be a few showers associated with the front, and then partly cloudy and a bit windy on Sunday, with temperatures dropping back down into the upper 60s later this weekend and the first of next week. So nice warm up, but it will cool down once again.
Yeah, not bad for
Really,
fall.
oh, beautiful, perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Okay.